Recessed lighting installation costs vary depending on several factors, including whether it is new construction or rework, the number of cans, size of cans, location, electrical wiring, trim, and labor costs. For new construction, the cost per can typically ranges from $75 to $150 for the can itself. The cost per can, including trim and labor, can range from $150 to $250. For rework projects, where you are installing recessed lighting in an existing structure, the cost per can with existing wiring can range from $50 to $100. If new wiring is required for the rework project, the cost can increase to $100 to $150 per can. The cost per can, including trim and labor for rework projects, can range from $100 to $200. Several factors affect the overall cost of recessed lighting installation. Firstly, the number of cans being installed can impact the price. Electricians may offer discounts for larger projects. Secondly, the size of the cans can influence the cost. Larger cans generally cost more to install due to their size and complexity. Thirdly, the location of the installation can affect the price. Installing cans in hard-to-reach areas, such as high ceilings or tight spaces, may require additional labor and specialized equipment, increasing the cost. Fourthly, electrical wiring requirements can impact the price. If new wiring is needed to support the recessed lighting, this will add to the overall cost of the project. This includes running new circuits, installing junction boxes, and connecting the wiring to the existing electrical system. Fifthly, the type and quality of trim used can also affect the price. Different trim styles, such as baffle trim, reflector trim, or decorative trim, have varying costs. High quality or more decorative trim will generally increase the overall cost. Sixthly, labor costs vary depending on the electrician and location. Electricians in areas with high cost of living tend to charge more for their services. The experience and skill level of the electrician can also affect labor costs. It is important to consider additional factors when planning a recessed lighting installation. Permits and inspections may be required by your local building department, which can add to the overall cost. It is always recommended to obtain the necessary permits and schedule inspections to ensure the installation meets safety and code requirements. It's also advisable to get multiple quotes from qualified electricians before making a decision. This will allow you to compare prices and services to find the best option for your needs and budget. When budgeting for recessed lighting, consider the cost of replacing burnt-out bulbs or upgrading to energy-efficient light-emitting diode or LED bulbs. LED bulbs have a longer lifespan and consume less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs, which can save you money in the long run. The cost of recessed lighting installation can vary significantly depending on the specific factors involved. To get an accurate estimate, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician who can assess your specific needs and provide a detailed quote.